Guys, I was thinking of writing a paper for NeurIPS. I'm not sure if I will do it yet, but here is what papers I was thinking to write. Join my community to become AI researcher. The first idea was train GPT-2 on a single GPU. However, this is kinda already done by Andrei Karpathy. I don't know if that would be accepted. Maybe some variation on this. I'm still thinking. There is this example of training JEPA on one GPU. Maybe something like this. This is another idea. Here is interesting paper, LLM JEPA. It's interesting because it combines LLM and JEPA. There are some interesting questions here. The problem is I don't have enough compute to train like a full LLM, but also maybe I actually do have enough compute. I'm actually not sure because there are these questions here, but I should also read like 20 to 30 papers. That's standard practice for these conferences or writing papers. So I guess I'll just continue reading, checking out papers. I guess it would take like 2-3 weeks to read 20-30 papers, or maybe less, maybe 1-2 weeks. These papers also have their own suggested research questions. I now told Gemini that I only have $75 to write a research paper for NeurIPS, and it said it's actually good because now you have to be smart about it, not just throw compute at it. You have to compete on insight and methodological novelty. Maybe we can use our small LLM and merge it with JEPA. I also had another idea. My friend here in Beijing replaced linear attention with some math. I forgot what the name of the theorem was. Those are all potential ideas. Maybe scaling laws for mini LLM JEPA. Then there is also this blog post written by Joshua and Zhou yesterday, and it's about replacing or augmenting gated delta net. This is some foundational interesting math. This would go into a paper. The problem is he doesn't know, for example, if this actually works better or in which situation, etc. So I guess I'm just gonna continue reading these. I also heard a good way to get inspiration is to talk to other researchers. So luckily I know some other researchers, but if you don't know, then this is what these videos are exactly for. So hopefully this can somehow inspire you as well. So there is this paper, Hyperconnections, and it's a good inspiration for writing a paper for NeurIPS, mainly because I already understand it more than other papers. I just asked Gemini to give me some ideas based on this paper. Do hyperconnections theoretically guarantee signal propagation isometry, preserving gradient magnitude better than pre-norm and post-norm at infinite depth? Why at infinite depth? Maybe we can remove this part. You can mathematically prove that the dynamic mixing of n hidden states maintains the singular value distribution of the Jacobian near 1, unlike pre-norm, which collapses, or post-norm, which vanishes. Using hyperconnections for linear attention and solving the forgetting issue.